Hello once again. If you remember on our last video, we learned how to disinfect feeding and drinking equipment. But today we are going to learn how to disinfect a litter box, or let me say a nest box. One thing about nest boxes is that to do or enable to make sure you are doing the right thing, you need to disinfect after every litter. If I say a litter, I'm just trying to say after your rabbit gives birth and the children, or let me say the kids, come out of the box, you have to disinfect the litter before you reuse. And this one, we are not just talking about Omo and soap, we are talking about proper disinfecting. So here, as you can see, this is what I'll use for the disinfecting. The other time I said we have two methods. You can either use the bottle method, or that's the one I splash the water out of, or you can use the knapsack sprayer. So today we are going to be using the knapsack sprayer. So we are going to put this one away and we are going to teach you how to use the knapsack sprayer. This is again our glycerol, what we used for our last disinfection. So we are going to take this. You take four of this. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This same quantity you can use to disinfect your farm, which we'll do in another video. You can use this same measurement to disinfect your farm. So after putting the 4 dosages, or let me say the 4 is to whatever quantity of water. So this 4 we've put here, we are going to add this. We're going to add our water. I'm using a watering can, so we are going to fill it up. So the 4 till you fill it up. The lesser the amount of water you add, the more potent and concentrated what you are mixing becomes. Bear that in mind. So this, we are just using it for a litter box, but bear in mind that after putting the 4, you can fill it to the brim, and you can use, after disinfecting your litter box, you can continue you can continue the disinfecting of your farm with this same measurement. Okay, so I'm going to cover it. This one, there's nothing like shaking, because once you pump, the water that comes out becomes a mixture of your water, and your medication. So right now, first things first, remember I told you that whenever you come to disinfect something, you first need to clean it, or let me say take away the particles. So we are going to clean it. You know, the dust, the fur and all that, you are going to put that away. If you do this, the advantage of disinfecting every litter box after use is to make sure that when it comes to infections, your farm, or let me say your rabbit, don't fall victim. So it's to take away infections and other diseases that may be stuck in the box, which we can't see with our naked eyes. So it's a very good practice. Always make sure that after every litter or after every use of the litter box, you disinfect it. Fine. After this one, I'm just going to brush it out. Not necessarily, you don't necessarily need to rinse it unless maybe it's really stained. And if it's really stained and you want to rinse it, you can rinse it with normal water. Let me say water that is not mixed with any detergent. You can just rinse it, proper rinsing. So you can just, if you like to, you can wash it with sponge and soap. After washing, then you rinse it before you disinfect. So we are going to disinfect. Okay, let me clean my hair. Good. So right now, I'm going to pick up my sprayer. My sprayer is 100. Okay. I'm going to pick up my sprayer. Good. And this, I'm going to start the disinfecting. Okay. is it? Let me see. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Well, okay, I've got it. So now we're going to start. You pump. If you have a 100 disinfectant, this sprayer, this is what happens. You are just cleaning the inside. You clean the outside as well. You turn. You see the cleaning. Make sure all these things go out. Oh, the disinfecting, oh, it will do the whole job. So in between. Okay, the question someone is asking is that after this, what do? Do you go and rinse it? No. You do the same thing. You dry it. So we are going to put our sprayer down. Okay, Mr. Sprayer, your job is done. Okay. Now we are going to dry this. I'm going to pick it up. So the same way. Dry this. We are going to leave it there till it dries. This one probably will take about 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 hours before you can use it. So you just use it when it's properly dried, not halfly dried, properly dried. So today we've been able to accomplish another disinfecting exercise. That's disinfecting our litter boxes after use to prevent infections. But please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.